Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay March 30, 2026 Monday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong March 30, 2026 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong Monday, March 30, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for March 30, 2026 Monday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for Monday, March 30, 2026. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of March 30, 2026 Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.